Hi, I'm Gopi from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science student from Carnegie University. And my area of interest are Gen AI, natural language processing, machine learning, deep learning, and building practical AI application that solves a real world problem. So in this video, I'm going to explain about one technical stack that is most wanted one, that's the RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. So the basic problem RAG solves is that LLM may not have access to our private data. So in order to make a private data access or the information that we want from our private data, we shall use a RAG. In RAG, there are two main stages, that is retrieval and generation. First, documents such as your private document or any company files or PDF files are collected and divided into a smaller chunks. These chunks are converted into a numerical representation called embeddings and stored in a vector database. When a user or any person asks a question about a particular PDF or file or private data, then the RAG will retrieve a relevant information that is present from the private data, and it will generate a context according to it. Then these retrieved chunks will be added to the prompt as a context and passed to a LLM model. Then the LLM uses this context to generate a more relevant and grounded answer. For example, if you are asking a college, you are asked to provide a college data information, regulations of your college. Then the RAG will generally gives like generally the LLM gives like it gives what are the normal regulations whether all the colleges have. But if you want specifically for your college, then you should give the norms and regulations of your college data. Then according to that, the LLM will generate the questions and answers. Okay. One major advantage of RAG is that we can update the knowledge base without retraining the entire LLM model. So I like RAG because it combines information retrieval, vector database, embeddings, and Gen AI into one practical system. Thank you.